Hi, I'm Julia, a technical service representative at Excel Dryer. Excel Dryer manufactures hand dryers in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. We are proud to say we make the only hand dryer that is made in the USA certified. We have created a series of videos to help you maintain your Excel hand dryer. This video will provide you instruction for replacing a motor on a ThinAir dryer with HEPA filtration. Disconnect power to the unit. Remove the cover by removing one tamper-proof bolt on the bottom of the dryer and gently lift upwards. Confirm there is no voltage at the terminal block. Remove the HEPA prefilter by sliding toward you. Remove 2 screws on either side of the HEPA filter. Lift filter away and set aside. Locate and remove 6 screws which hold the blower housing front. Ensure the parts do not fall forward at this point. Disconnect the wires from the motor by removing the black wire from the load side of the terminal block, followed by the white wire. Grasp the motor along with the bottom muffler housing output and remove old motor. Replace the motor, followed by replacing the top and bottom mufflers. Route the white and black wires from the motor through the notch in the blower housing front and press in place to the notch in the blower housing back. Secure with the 6 screws. Reconnect the white wire from the new motor to the white connector and the black wire to the load side of the terminal block. Return HEPA filter to slot above motor. Ensure that the 2 legs of the HEPA filter are properly in place so that the gasket of the HEPA is sealed to the motor. Secure the HEPA filter in place with the 2 screws previously removed. Slide prefilter back into place. Reinstall cover and cover screw and return power to the dryer. Test dryer for proper operation by operating for more than 10 seconds. Thank you for your interest, and if this video still leaves you with questions, please call our customer service department at Excel Dryer at 800-255-9235.